5 way BB Junior prepare your kids for a bright future. Is your child losing interest in study? Welcome to a new way of learning with BB Junior that make academic learning super exciting. When I was in school, mathematics was the subject that I dreaded study, from BODMAS to the Pythagoras theorem, geometry, trigonometry, area to compound interest. Everything used to give me a nightmare. There were so many kids in my class where some them did not like English, some were struggling with science, and other were going crazy remembering the dates of important historical event. After a year of passing out from school, when I look back, I realized that it was not syllabus or the book, but the way certain things were taught that made them uninteresting. We prepared mindlessly consumption of information rather than understanding it due to lack of creativity in teaching methods. Today, there are lots of platforms that offer a unique way of academic learning as well as soft skill learning that help in a child overall development. BB Junior is one such platform where your child will not only have extensive learning program for a soft skill but will also get a chance to develop his mind with the help of expert. BB Junior combined technology content to provide every K-12 student with a seamless and engaging learning experience. Here, they will not only get knowledge about the course books but beyond them, we will prepare them to face future challenges. Here are top 5 reasons why BB Junior is perfect for your child. First, learning from best teacher and subject matter expert. In a class where there are 30 kids, it become a little difficult for a kid to understand certain concept related to a particular subject. It BB Junior study will learn from subject matter expert who are the brightest mind in the country with proven credibility and passion for teaching. Second, interactive learning experience. Crafted by some of brightest mind in India for K-12 student, BB Junior offer personalized interactive chapter through 3D video animation and teachers driven module. Feeling in love just got easier. Third, uninterrupted studies. Now kids can pursue their interest without missing them on their study. They can study online with subject matter expert without having a miss out on the important concept. Fourth, adaptive learning style. Every kid is unique, which why every child has a different style of grasping knowledge and information. Your child individual learning needs can now be met through online study material, Olympic content, quizzes, lab experiment, and 10,000 interactive games. Fifth, map to the syllabus. The content and learning journey by are mapped to your grade and syllabus, CBSE, ICSE, IB, and 15 state boards. You will stay in sync with what is happening in your regular classroom. BB Junior not just offering benefits, excellent interactive online learning experience for K-12 student but also allow parent to stay updated with the progress of their child. Kids can stay updated with how much progress they are making through various assessment tests, and parents can also assess their progress report. While academic learning is the foundation of education, a great school experiences goes for beyond science fair project and senior papers. This skill may harder to measure but they are essential to a student overall growth and development. BB Junior prepare your child for a bright future and for a real world through confidence building, personality development, and entrepreneurship training. So, what are you waiting for? Call now below this number and call our business consultant. They will help you for get more information about our BB Junior. Thank you.